for the building.
Oh, really? In what way?
He wanted me to tell him what the offer was from the original people so he can beat it. I saw how he wrote the apology letters to the managing agent. I don't understand. You drank both your waters?